Una good morning all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Larry and I bring una the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Friday, 23rd of February 2024. And our topic today na call to hard work. We fit see our memory verse for the book of Proverbs chapter 12 verse 24. And it talks say, na only those people wey work hard go fit lead others, but lazy people go be slave. Our Bible reading dey for Acts chapter 28 verse 1 to 6. After we don reach land and nobody die, we come hear say na Malta dem dey call the island. The people wey dey stay for there treat us well. They make fire for us because rain don start to fall and cold dey catch us. When Paul dey gather plenty sticks make him put inside the fire, na him one snake wey dem dey call viper come out because of the heat. He come put him mouth for Paul hand. When the people wey dey stay for there see say the snake put him mouth for Paul hand, they come dey tell theirself, e be like say this man hand no clean. Even though he no die inside the sea, hand don still catch am for here. But Paul come shake the snake comot from him hand, enter the fire, and nothing do am at all. But dem dey think say him body go swell up or him go fall for ground come die. So after dem don wait for some time, come see say nothing happen to am, dem come change their mind come talk say Paul na God. Now the message. The day wey I know say if God no find me, I for still be university teacher wey be say him way na hellfire e dey go till today. Na that day I make up my mind say I no go be ordinary Christian o. Person wey be mathematician who no just wan be ordinary mathematician go study those people wey be guru and they don reach top for mathematics. People like Pythagoras and other mathematics guru dem. As I no wan just be ordinary Christian, na here I spend 3 years dey study some people wey God use mightily. One of those people wey I study na Elijah. If you don hear one of the topic wey I dey preach wey him name na going higher, you fit see am for Dove TV YouTube channel. You go know say I don really spend plenty time to take study Elijah. I also study Paul because him be person wey like book well well. Him be professor of law wey enter ministry like me and he end well. I discover say him be person wey dey work hard for 2 Timothy chapter 4 verse 6 to 8. Paul na person wey dey work hard for every part of him life. For Acts chapter 28 verse 1 to 6, when their ship tumble for the island wey dem call Malta, when everybody dey gather around the fire because of cold, na only Paul na him comot go gather firewood. When I just start to dey lead Redeemed Christian Church of God, the time wey be conversion time, na me and my boys dey go gather firewood for the conversion. We dey also dey wash plate and also dey do some other small job with joy. If you don reach to wash plate and anybody wan collect sponge for my hand, I go tell them abeg wash your own plate, make I wash my own plate. Hand wey no fit do small job for God's kingdom, e no fit eat sick o. If you get program for your church, no talk say you no go do small job o. Do all those small job make your hand dirty, then e go surprise you how God anointing go dey flow for your finger. Many assistant GO for RCCG now, they be my boys those days. This one na because na only those people wey you know say that dey work hard when you just start, na then you fit trust say they go dey hardworking if you don make am. Plenty people don advise say e get many people wey God dey call. God fit don call them, but shey they don go through test? If God call you, that one no mean say you go succeed o. They fit put you in charge of something and they go sleep because they know say you go do that thing as you suppose do am. Na only those people wey sabi work hard, na them their call dey sure pass. The main point for today's message be say if they call you and you no sabi work hard, na fail you go fail o. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens of the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy una day o till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.